3 things that happen when she can't stop thinking about you. Deep female psychology. Intro: the silent signals of a woman's heart. There are moments in a man's life when he feels something. No proof, no text, no call, yet something whispers. She's thinking about you. Maybe you feel her energy. Maybe you sense her presence. Maybe you feel a pull you can't explain. And here's the truth. When a woman cannot stop thinking about a man, her behavior, her emotions, and even her psychology begin to shift in powerful ways. Today, I will tell you the 3 deep, hidden things that happen inside a woman when you occupy her mind. Not casually, not lightly, but intensely, constantly, obsessively. So sit back, take a deep breath, and listen closely. Because if these 3 things match what she's been doing with you, you're not just another man in her life. You're the man her heart keeps running back to. Subscribe now to Psych Secrets and be part of a journey where every video inspires you to see life with a new perspective. 1. Her emotional world begins to revolve around you. When a woman can't stop thinking about you, the very first thing that changes is her emotional rhythm. You become the silent center of her mind. Her emotions begin to orbit around you. She feels a strange warmth when she hears your name. Even if she tries to hide it, her heart softens for a moment. Her face relaxes. Her eyes brighten. Her guard drops. This is subconscious. She cannot control it. As she becomes more sensitive to your actions, a small text from you can make her entire day feel lighter. A little silence from you can make her mind restless. A delayed reply can make her overthink. An unexpected call can make her heart race. Why? Because emotions follow attention. Where her attention goes, her emotions grow. As she starts fantasizing without realizing it. This is the psychological part. A woman who thinks about you constantly begins to imagine how you talk, how you smile, how you touch her, how it feels to be held by you, what a relationship with you would look like. She paints pictures in her mind that she doesn't tell anyone about. And sometimes, those fantasies feel more real to her than the world outside. As she gets jealous silently, even if you're not together, even if she says she doesn't care, even if she pretends to be indifferent, if she sees you talking to another woman, if she hears about someone else in your life, if she notices competition, her eyes stiffen, her heart tightens. She feels this uncomfortable heat inside her chest, but she will hide it because she wants to appear strong, independent, unaffected. But inside, her emotions have already chosen you. 2. Her behavior starts revealing her secret feelings. You see, psychology says something very simple. A woman's emotions are private, but her behavior always exposes her. And when she can't stop thinking about you, 3 behavioral shifts appear. As she tries to stay connected in subtle ways, she may not directly say she likes you. She may not confess anything. She may not flirt openly, but she will keep micro-connecting. She replies faster than usual. She reacts to your stories. She watches your posts silently. She finds excuses to talk. She sends random messages. She checks up on you indirectly. These are not accidents. These are emotional breadcrumbs. Every breadcrumb says, I miss you, but I'm scared to say it. As she remembers tiny details about you. Your favorite drink, your schedule, your likes and dislikes, something you said weeks ago. She holds on to your words because they matter to her, because you matter to her. A woman only remembers details about the man who has become meaningful in her mind, as she mirrors your energy. If you are warm, she becomes warm. If you are distant, she becomes distant. If you tease, she teases back. If you flirt, she melts. Why? Because she's emotionally aligned with you. Her mind syncs with your vibe automatically. This mirroring is not conscious behavior. It's psychological attachment. She tries to look better around you. Not for the world. Not for society. For you. She suddenly takes extra care. Her hair, her clothes, her perfume, her smile. Because she wants you to notice her. She wants to leave an impression. She wants to stay in your memory, just like you stay in hers. 3. She begins to feel a spiritual connection with you. This is the deepest part, the part most men never understand. When a woman thinks about you day and night, something spiritual begins to awaken inside her. As she feels your presence even when you're not there. She thinks of you, and suddenly a song reminds her of you. Something happens at work, and she wonders what you would say about it. She sees something beautiful and imagines showing it to you. It's like your energy follows her everywhere. As she dreams about you, not always romantic, sometimes symbolic, sometimes emotional, sometimes confusing. Her subconscious mind keeps replaying memories, moments, conversations, smiles. Dreams are the mind's way of processing emotions that are growing beyond her control. And if she dreams of you repeatedly, you are already living inside her deeper psychological layer. As she starts believing you're connected by fate, even if she doesn't admit it, even if she denies it. When a woman's emotional energy keeps circling back to the same man, she starts feeling like the universe is pulling you two together. She calls it destiny, coincidence, intuition. But the truth is, it's her heart recognizing something meaningful. As she cannot detach from you easily, she may try to distract herself. She may try to stay busy. She may tell herself she doesn't need you. But every time she disconnects from the world, every time she lies in bed at night, every time she's alone with her thoughts, you return, and you return stronger. Because feelings that are suppressed grow deeper, and the mind keeps revisiting what the heart refuses to release. Conclusion: if these 3 things match, if her emotions revolve around you, if her behavior keeps connecting to you, if she feels a spiritual pull toward you, then listen carefully. You're not a temporary thought. You are her emotional home. You are the man she can't replace. She can't forget. She can't detach from. Because something inside her has chosen you. Silently, secretly, powerfully. She may not tell you. She may hide it. She may act strong. She may act distant. But hearts don't lie. Energy doesn't lie. Psychology doesn't lie. When a woman cannot stop thinking about you, her soul whispers your name long before her lips do. Subscribe now to Psych Secrets and be part of a journey where every video inspires you to see life with a new perspective.